Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by enabling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and opening your chosen network tool. This gets live data fast. Once done, record current SSIDs and MAC addresses so you can spot newcomers. Make sure location services are enabled for signal mapping. That helps correlate strength with position. Start an active scan for networks and nearby devices immediately, because hidden hotspots often broadcast intermittently. Move slowly while scanning to build a consistent baseline, and flag any unknown or changing entries for the next steps. You now map signal strength by walking a simple grid and logging RSSI at each point, which reveals the direction of a hidden source. Once you have points, triangulate where signal peaks. Make sure to repeat measurements for consistency. Use probe request capture to detect devices that reveal SSIDs through client probes. This often exposes a hidden hotspot name. Also inspect channel occupancy and vendor WE to identify atypical MAC patterns. These details explain why a hotspot is hidden and guide you. Finish by moving to the triangulated location and observing RSSI climb. Confirm the hotspot by seeing increased probe responses and device association attempts. Once close, use selective toggles on your adapter to force reassociation and capture the broadcast SSID if it appears. If you still can't confirm, restart your scanning tools and clear cached SSID or ARP entries, because stale data often hides evidence. One troubleshooting tip: if signals fluctuate, wait 1 minute and rescan. Intermittent broadcasts can mislead instantaneous readings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.